Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to do a really quick look at an Extrema XG12 gang rip saw. This machine does have a 50 horsepower arbor motor. It is going to have a 12-inch arbor sleeve. However, you can cut 32-inch material on here. That does not mean it has a 32-inch capacity. That means that it is open-ended, and that will allow for 20 inches of that material to overhang to the left of the blade. You are going to get some spacers, saw blades, manual. This machine does have 3 rows of kickback fingers. You are going to have one up top, another one in the bottom. So this is 2 rows. And then right in front of your first feed roll, it's kind of hard to tell, right here, you're gonna have your 3rd top row. One of the most important things to look at when you are buying a gang rip saw is the chain. What is the condition of the chain? And we would consider this chain to be in excellent condition. There's like light strike here, here, and here. I mean, they're really, really light. You can see it a little bit more right here. A heavier strike here, but still, that's it. It has a really good face, is nice and sharp, which is really important. We're gonna come back over and start this machine. Hit reset, saw blade. Again, it's quiet running. You do have a 3 horsepower feed. That 3 horsepower feed is capable of 30 to 130 feet per minute. This is the lowest speed of 30 feet per minute. We come in here and turn it up. That's the highest speed. On the right-hand side, you do have a built-in oiler, automatic oiler. This machine does come with 4 overhead lasers. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.